YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I really don't know how this is gonna go. So some of y'all may not know, I sold the black car to a good buddy. He lives about 45 minutes away from us, and I recently went to Ford Hood, which is probably in another video, and went and got this thing. 2000 Camaro SS. It's got a little few miles, not much, but I am currently, so Tx2k is this week. Today is Friday, so there's still Tx2k tomorrow, and it keeps going, but hold on. Driving a race car, but hopefully y'all can see me. This thing's loud, it's really loud, it's got a cutout and stuff, but so we're going to the guy's house that I sold the Camaro to. I'm pretty sure we got to drop the trans in it, but we're going to try to make Tx2k tomorrow. And right now, it's 7:48 in the afternoon, Friday evening, and we have to be up at 6 for a cruise to Tx2k, which we'll see TJ and everybody else. Dad is staying at home for this one. I mean, I guess he didn't want to come, I don't know. But we're going to go to Angleton, go try to get this black car running. I mean, it runs. Just whenever you put it in drive, it won't do anything. So we got to drop the trans, put tool converter bolts in, stuff like that, and get this car buttoned up and hopefully ready to roll and roll forward tomorrow. Because tomorrow the trip goes from Katy to Baytown, where Tx2k is going to be. I've heard rumors that this is the last year of it because they've sold the track, so I really don't know. But I'm in the Camaro coming into town. Got about a 40-minute drive to the guy's house. Really cool guys. You'll see some badass cars over there. 383 stroker car, and then you'll see my black car. We then arrive at Houston Raceway Park down in Baytown, Texas. Check it out. soon as we entered the gate, we went straight to the Cletus booth, because it's always great to see Cletus. What is up, guys? So as you've seen in this video with Tx2k, I know I didn't do a lot of talking or commentary in this video. It was basically me enjoying the car, pretty much taking it to events and just enjoying the car really, and the cruise that y'all seen. Shout out to the guys with Speed Advocates hosting the cruise. That was a great cruise. I didn't want to push the car too hard the first time taking it out or anything, but on the way home from yesterday, I actually did get it running. But I did go to Mexico and came home. But today is actually the day after Tx2k, so I think yesterday was second to last day of Tx2k, yeah, because Tx2k ends today, which is Sunday. So I don't know when this video will be out. I guess whenever I get time to edit it. But just got back in town last night. If you're lucky, I may put in the video of the run. 1, 2, 3, go! But got home late last night. Woke up this morning. Went and, got the fresh cut. And then now I'm at a car wash about to clean this freaking dirty car up. I literally cleaned it yesterday, as y'all seen. I think I got some shots right before the cruise and stuff. And this damn thing's already dirty. So, look. It's literally like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's so much freaking like dust on the car. It's terrible. Like, you can see all of the dust. Like, there's just dust all over this thing from Tx2k. So I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.